Okay, so these are the Timpani 2.5 inch, actually they're Peerless, the Peerless 2.5 inch aluminum full range woofers. These are the original Bose woofers. As you can see, when I got them at the yard sale, this one was blown. You can see it doesn't have the original dust cap. It's actually a piece of thick postcard with a little bit of rubber cement and permanent ink marker, but it worked fine. The highs were real muffled, but these don't sound great anyway. As I'm recording this with my iPod, I don't have an actual music source except for my Walkman. We shall be playing House of Groove. Let's see what these sound like. Right, not using that. To get them to fit. I don't know if you can tell through the mic quality, but they actually have better highs than the original Bose woofers. They sound a lot better. But as the old saying goes, if it has no highs, no lows, must be Bose. So actually these woofers are actually a bigger improvement to what they used to be. And it's metal.